Tinta. Vuoi latte, amore?
Have you found yourself a little seat there, Emma? Is that your chair? Brush your teeth, Emma.
Papa?
Some more water. I'll get you some. Putting your sun cream on, Emma. On your nose.
Your nose.
On your nose. On your cheeks.
Take it.
Glasses.
Daddy.
Say glasses.
Gotcha.
Occhiali?
I got it.
Occhiali, good girl. Emma, where's your nose?
Please.
Where's your mouth? Where are your ears?
Dov'è il naso, Emma? Naso. Brava. Dove sono gli occhi?
What a difference a tide makes. We were here overnight and it was low tide, and around us there were kind of walls of mud and you couldn't really see anything. Whereas now, at high tide, we can see lots of water. Very, very peaceful and relaxing. See you in a minute. It's a little fly, that's all it is. It's a fly. What are you drawing?
Tavolo?
Tavolo.
È il sole sembra, la luna.
Wow, you're very good at drawing, Emma. That's amazing.
Nana, basta.
Basta.
Okay, all right, that's enough.
Gotcha.
So fast.
Ciccia, sì. Sì, direi di sì. Guardate le mie lucine a £1 da Poundland. Aspetta che le accendo. Emma seduta? Emma seduta. Aspetta che le accendiamo. Ah no, ma non si vede perché c'è ancora troppo luce. Cioè sono accese ma non si vede deve essere buio. Adesso no, è stata bravissima l'Emma, che ieri è stata brava mentre faceva le manovre. Abbiamo preso, vabbè poi ve lo racconto mai, abbiamo preso il seggiolino dell'auto, l'abbiamo messa lì, legata.
Ciao bella.
Emma, dai un bacino ai nonni. Fai ciao con la manina. Brava.
Ciao patatosa.
Ah, glielo dai il bacino. Ah, vi sta abbracciando con l'iPad. Ok, ciao, buonanotte.
Bye bye.
Ciao.
Bye.
Ciao, sole.
See you tomorrow. Daddy's above you. Daddy's above you. Daddy's above you.
Dai Ninni, che
Bedtime, Emma. Yes. Bedtime.
Ninni.
Time for bed.
Ninni.
It's time for bed. Never mind being all crazy. It's time for bed. Basta. I'm the one that say basta. It's time to go to bed.
Cioè, veramente.
Well, isn't it a small world? Last night, about 10 o'clock, Rossella was putting Emma to bed and a boat arrived just over there.
That was one of our patrons. That's unbelievable because we don't have loads of patrons. We just have how many?
73.
73 at the moment. Chris heard shouting and he said he was calling you and then you find out it was one of our patrons. So that was really cool and random.
Very unexpected.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we didn't meet Mima, but I'm sure it's going to be another chance, hopefully very soon.
Rossella and Emma didn't meet him because they were already in bed when the boat arrived. I got in the dinghy and rowed over and shook his hand and said hello, which was very nice. But yeah, next time all the three of us can meet you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah,
Bye.
cheers Mima, we'll see you soon.
Ciao.
It's very pretty here this morning, isn't it? Mm-hmm. There are some pretty boats anchored here and there are people out rowing. Just a very nice, peaceful atmosphere. And again, a glorious sunny day, which is just what the doctor ordered. Come on then. Wow. Wow. Okay, Emma, you sit down here.
E la GoPro dov'è?
Good girl. We are the three of us on a 2.2 metre tender with a battery and an electric outboard. You ready, Emma?
Ti piace? Bene.
The nice thing about this is because it's so quiet, you don't disturb the wildlife. So as we arrive, we've got all the birds and stuff just hanging around.
Wow. Emma, guarda. Boat.
Look up there.
Emma, vuoi girarti dall'altra parte? Torniamo dalla barca? Sì, bene. Vuoi stare qui?
Right, maximum speed.
Ui, guarda c'è un pesce là c'era.
Full steam ahead. Oh, darling. Bless you. Look, Emma, there's our boat. So basically Emma's been good as gold the whole time we've been here. For the thumbnail, she wanted to hold the air freshener for a start, and also she kind of started crying. So
She's tired.
Yeah, she's exhausted. She's going to bed, and we're about to weigh the anchor and go back to Gillingham.
Okay.
Baby buys,
Bye bye.
Bye. We've worked out what was wrong with Emma. She was very keen on spraying the boat with her imaginary air freshener.